Okay, back with another job, Carpet Steam Pro. Today we have a commercial job, which I'm doing half today and half tomorrow. I think we have this room. I think this is one of the offices. We just have to work around everything. We don't have to move anything. This opening in here. And we have maybe 2 offices. Thought it was more. We don't have to move anything in here. Another office. And the carpets are not that soiled, so not sure what that line is right there. Looks like something with some wheels on it or something. Maybe just soil. Up to this area right here. It's a break room. So, I did that office already. A small hallway. And we're basically just working around these long hallways. We don't have to move anything from underneath the shelves per the owners. So we're just working around, going straight through. Nothing under the shelves. We don't have to move anything, which is great for us. And this aisle. So we have 1, 2, 3 aisles. I believe maybe 4. This area here, just working around stuff. And we have to do this area. I'll probably do this half tomorrow. Come back tomorrow, finish the other half. And just these small walk areas right here. So, not that bad. I see some spots. Not sure. Maybe it could be coffee. Not sure. So I'm getting ready to get started with the pre-vacuum, and I'll be showing some footage. Stay tuned. Alright, just about finished vacuuming up. Well, I tell you, this sanitaire, it'll pull you. It makes the job a lot easier, vacuuming a lot easier. This thing literally pulls you. As soon as you started vacuuming, look at that. I gotta pull it, kind of stop it. I like this vacuum. Alright, I'll finish up this little bit of area left. And I'll be back with some more footage. What's up, guys? Omar, Carpet Steam Pro. Just finished pre-vacuuming, getting ready to pre-spray and agitate and extract an area. I'm only doing half today. I'll do half today, then I'll come back tomorrow and do the rest. So that's what we agreed to with the owners. So stay tuned for the footage. Alright, calling it a night. Cleaned all of this so far. It's drying up. Cleaned this aisle. So all these aisles. This back part. This back part here. Over there. So all I have to do, and I did this aisle also, all the way to that first post right there. So tomorrow all I have to do is this other side. They have to move these things out the way. Move them to the side that's already clean. And I'll just have to do the open areas. This open area here. That office, that office, that office. And that's it. And that pathway. I've come across a lot of paint spots, so I've been getting them out with All-Solve. But I have to talk to the owner because I explained that in the proposal that specialty spots are extra to get out. That's specialty spots. You have to do a different procedure. The cleaning won't exactly get them out, especially paint. So, see you guys tomorrow.